You see those inner conversations that we have with ourselves when we sit there and we reminisce or we're talking to somebody. We say things like, girl, let me tell you, my life has been nothing but trouble. And you just start rattling off all the problems you've had throughout your life. See that conversation? That is what you believe about yourself. And we all know that the all is mind. You are aware that you exist. You are also aware of the things that you have experienced. And because we continually regurgitate them, because we continually hold them in our minds and talk about them when we go to bed, talk about them when we wake up, talk about them when we're on lunch, talk about them when you're on your smoke break, talk about them when you whatever it is. And for those who don't talk about them, oh my word, we try to drown them or we try to smoke them out or we try to float above them, if you know what I'm saying. But at no point in time do we stop to ask ourselves, do you know that by having this very conversation and feeling in this very fashion that you are creating your life over and over again? Not even creating it, you're recreating it over and over and over again. We keep hearing there's nothing new under the sun, which is a fallacy. The reason why there's quote unquote nothing new under the sun is because we are habitually doing the same thing. And because we are habitually doing the same thing, we are habitually having the same experiences over and over and over. Oh, and we get so fancy with our talk. We call them generational curses. No, it's just that your mama thought that, your daddy thought that, your brothers and sisters, and nobody decided at some point that it was a good idea to stop.